Many people don't know this, but Shiba Inu supply is in fact running out right now. And many people are not aware of this. They're not paying attention to it. And this is something that is probably going to be the catalyst that is the next driver for SHIB surge to the upside. Now, first and foremost, do I think that's happening right now? Not quite yet. Right now, we're stuck doing exactly what the rest of the market is doing. We're boring. We're sideways trading. We're consolidating. There's not a whole lot happening. Everybody's frustrated as hell, right? I get it. And guys, me personally, all I'm doing right now is just picking up positions as I can. Again, I'm using my indicator to pick up some of these great DCA opportunities that have flashed. These times are just opportunities to add to our bags. And again, if you guys want to, check out my indicator, the link's in the description below. There's a 30-day money back guarantee, but it can give people great opportunities to add to their bags. But the supply available for SHIB is kind of a small amount right now. And that might sound strange to people. Some will say, 589 trillion tokens, and they don't get it that most of these coins are in the hands of long-minded people that are not putting them out there and available in the market. In fact, I've talked about this for a very, very long period of time. And what we can see is that this holder composition for Shiba Inu, even though we went on this massive pump to the upside, this 4.5x run, this has not really changed. Over 75% of Shiba Inu holders have held for 1 year or longer. That is a true testament to this long-term mindset. All we've been seeing lately is just a little bit of shift in this 12-month holder or less, especially down in the 1 month or less, right? I think we've seen that as high as 6%, 6 or 7%. So it's just these short-term holders that are just kind of fluctuating right now. And what I have to say is this: there was this article that was done by AMB Crypto, and what they showed was that Shiba Inu velocity is down to 0.013. Now, what this suggests is that circulation for Shiba Inu has been low. So what we're seeing during this time with price, while we've been consolidating here, is it's a lot of the same Shiba Inu that is being traded right now. That's trading hands. And the thing is eventually you have a point where these Shiba Inu holders that have the long-term mindset accumulate enough of it and pull enough out of the market that we start to move to the upside. That's why I'm saying that this is a catalyst, because guess what? Assets are run by supply and demand. What happens when available supply starts to run out? Price starts to move up, especially as demand continues to climb. FOMO starts to set in, even less supply. Like I've said before, when we zoom out and we look at Shiba Inu, I don't have it turned on right now, but remember how much liquidity there was down in this range. It's the reason why it took so long to escape here. And then up above here, there's not a whole lot. Price starts moving wildly in these higher ranges because when you add in the factor of people having a long-term mindset and not wanting to sell, and then other people jumping on that train as well, it turns into this explosive catalyst, okay? That's what people need to be paying attention to. Right now, this is where holders are just picking up positions, right? Sideways trading, buying the dip, picking up good opportunities while they're presenting themselves. Some people are saying, oh yeah, price is going to go lower. Maybe it might, right? But again, unless you have this 75% of Shiba Inu holders start dumping, which I don't believe they do, because guess what? That's been the case even when price was a lot lower from here. It's been that high. You're trying to basically rip SHIB out of the hands of people who aren't going to put it out there. That's where this starts to get really exciting. That's when, this whole 1 cent vision becomes a real factor when it comes to Shiba Inu. I think SHIB is gearing up for a next big pump, and this is not financial advice, this is not a guarantee, but know that it may take just a little time to get there. It just takes, it's just dependent on how long it takes a lot of this available supply to be pulled out of the market, but it's dwindling quickly. Me personally, I've added Shiba Inu while we've been consolidating. I have the long-term vision. I'm not liquidating any right now. That's why it's important to pay attention to this. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know when you think we are, in fact, going to go on our next run. But have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.